Alright, so this is a demo video of what's going on with the BNC 12-inch driver that's in my Bumblebee cab. This is the popping noise. This is the sound. Pretty much the speaker's busted, can't take so much bass anymore. Check it out. Hear that popping? It sounds like crackling. Yep. So we're going to switch that up. That BNC driver, we're going to change it to an RCF. And by the way, that's a Neo cab, a Neo speaker. We're going to switch it to a standard ceramic magnet speaker by a company called RCF, also made in Italy. We'll see what happens. So I just replaced the old BNC 12-inch woofer, which was already busted and had this really nasty cracking noise, with this new RCF. I believe the model number is 12G301. It's a ceramic magnet. It's not a Neo. And I'm digging the tone. It has a warmer tone than the Neo, and it's a little bit yeah, it's a little warmer. It has a nicer tone to me anyway. The BNC sounded good, but this one sounds like it's more responsive. So that's basically the tone, and I'm happy with it. So to my boy, Mr. Soundman Darwin Alcaraz, my cab builder, you know, I much appreciated. He recommended this speaker, so I'm actually really happy with it. Though it's not rated, quote unquote, as powerful as the BNC, which was the model number on that one is the 12NW76 8-ohm. According to the BNC website, it was 700 watts, but I don't think it really was 700 watts. For some reason, it just it didn't hold up. But this one seems to be responding pretty good. I guess the test of time will prove, you know, if neos are not as good as ceramic magnets, which ceramic magnets are heavier, but they seem to be a little bit more durable. So we'll see. Peace out, YouTube.